Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're at Banbury on the Chiltern main line. Starting off strong, we have 68010 with a service to Birmingham Moor Street. It is quite wet today, so I suspect some rain will get on the camera. So today you'll be seeing services by Chiltern Railways, Great Western Railway, cross country and some freight as well. So let's see what else shall turn up here at Banbury. Okay, and now departing 68010 with a service to Birmingham Moor Street.
Customers are requested to stand behind the yellow line.
So a quite thunderous departure from 68010 there. Okay, and the next train to arrive in, we've got a 168 heading to Birmingham Snow Hill. One 68001 in the new livery. And I'll catch this train when it departs. Alright, and now leaving, we've got 168001. Nice little tone from the driver, thanks very much. Sorry about that. Alright, we've got a new livery takeover here. We've got another new livery heading from Moor Street to Marylebone. It's 168003 this time. Very busy, and I will catch this train as well when it leaves for London. Alright, and now leaving is 168003.
to remind all customers that e-scooters are not permitted on Chiltern Railways trains or at stations at any time.
Alright, and taking me a bit by surprise because there's zero mobile reception here, we have 66774. With a service from Eastleigh Yard to Hams Hall. Yes, I'm just going off my real-time train screenshots. Okay, and the next train to arrive in, we have 221122 heading from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. And I will catch this train when it departs. As is clearly evident, it's now leaving.
Platform 2 for the 10:59 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Calling at Leamington Spa, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Wilmslow and Manchester.
Okay, and now arriving is the opposite service. So Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly, not via Stockport for some reason. And I'll catch this train when it leaves as well. Okay, and now departing, we've got 220018 and another unit on the back, heading to Manchester Piccadilly. On the back is 220020.
The next train.
And the next train to arrive in, we've got a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. (168.326) is leading.
Platform 2 for the 1111 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street.
So 168111 is on the back. So catch this train when it departs. Okay, and as the wind picks up, also arriving in is 68014. with the opposite service to Birmingham Moor Street. In its special livery, and I will catch this when it departs as well. Didn't quite catch the number of the DVT actually, I wasn't paying attention. Nice way from the driver, so thanks very much. Alright, and we've got a Freightliner double header with 70004 on the front. And 66516 heading from Leeds to Southampton. Once again catching me off guard. Running about 5 minutes early, hence why I wasn't paying attention. Okay, and sorry I can't be bothered to go to the other side of the station to film this. We've got GWR 165 arriving from Didcot Parkway, so hopefully you'll be able to see it when it pops out over here. If it indeed makes it that far along the platform, which I think it will. 165 125. And I will obviously catch this when it turns around and heads out for Didcot in about 10 minutes. Okay, unfortunately my cross-country train in typical fashion has been cancelled, so this means I need to get on this 165. So in that case, I'm going to have to end the video here. If you enjoyed watching today, please drop a comment and like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, from me and an absent Ed, we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.